Hello everyone. So in this particular video, we are going to start a new topic that is a SnowSQL. So what is a SnowSQL? What is the advantage we get in a SnowSQL? Everything we'll try to understand in this video. So let's start. SnowSQL is a Snowflake command line interface. It lets you to connect to the Snowflake from your local machine or server and run the command. So as of now, what actually we were doing through a UI only, we were doing all the operations. Suppose I had to upload any files, so I was going into the UI, I was clicking on the load the data and I was uploading the files. But suppose, is there any alternative way? Is there any alternative way through which I can connect to the Snowflake? I can connect to the Snowflake and I can run any kind of the commands, query and everything. Yeah. So the alternative way is the SnowSQL. So SnowSQL is a command line interface for the Snowflake, and with the help of that, from your local machine you can connect to the Snowflake and you can run the commands so it is a command line interface. So from your local machine you can open a command prompt. First you have to connect to the Snowflake, and after that whatever the query you are writing, right, all the things, all the operation you can do from there itself. So it is a command line interface, and with the help of that you can connect to the Snowflake and you can do all the operation. Here you have to type SQL in a terminal instead of the UI. Instead of doing all the operation in a UI, in a terminal itself, we can do all those operation. Now let's understand why do we need a SnowSQL. So SnowSite UI is great for the writing query, for the dashboard and for the manual load. But some operation are easier or only practical via CLI. Example, if you had to do any automation, then the SnowSQL will be very useful for you. If you have to upload a local files, in that case SnowSQL will be helpful. If you have to do a scripting, if you have to schedule a jobs, right, then the SnowSQL will be helpful. For taking example, why do we need a CLI? Why do we need a SnowSQL? So as of now, what actually we were doing, suppose you have a files in a laptop. I have a files in a laptop. Now this file I have to upload. So then what actually we were doing, in a UI I was clicking on the load the data and I was uploading the files. But for example, suppose you have a multiple files, and on a daily basis you are getting these files. I have a multiple files. On a daily basis I am getting the files, and what actually first thing I have to do, I have to upload this into a stages, right? I have to upload this in a stages. Now in this scenario you have to, if you are using a UI, right, then you have to do a manually. Every day you have to do, and you have to upload this all the files manually, and then you have to copy into the tables, right, if you are using a UI. But whether this approach is good or not, it's not good, right? Because on a daily basis I have to wake up and I have to upload all the files. Instead of doing this, what actually we can use, a SnowSQL. In a SnowSQL we have a put command. And from that put command, from the location we can load this data into a stages. From this location we can load the data into a stages, and this script, right, this script we can do a scripting, we can do a automation also. Like suppose this script you have to schedule every day 2 a.m. So this kind of the things actually you can do in a command line interface itself. So that kind of the advantage we get. Instead of uploading the files manually on a daily basis, right? What actually we can do, we can use a SnowSQL where we can write a script and we can do automation and we can schedule also, so that on a daily basis it will run and you do not have to do a work manually. So it will help for the automation, it will help for the local file upload, it will help for the scripting, it will help for the scheduling the jobs, it will help for the CI/CD pipeline and all. Now let's take a few example. Suppose I have to upload a local files. Suppose my file is available on a laptop. So in a UI, if you are using a UI, right, then every day we have to upload a manually. But in a SnowSQL, you just have to write this command, put file into the stages, and you can do a automation and you can schedule. So that is the first advantage we get in a SnowSQL. The second advantage, batch run SQL script. Suppose on a daily basis, I have given the same example, right? Suppose I have to load the files, I have to clean the files, I have to do an incremental record, I had to refresh the table. Suppose these are the operation on a daily basis I had to do. If you are using a UI, right, then this all the operation will be manually. Means first you have to load the files manually, and then for the cleaning you have to write a script, then for the incremental you have to write the script. Means one by one you have to do all those operation if you are using a UI. But if you are using a SnowSQL, right, in this case what actually you can do, you can create one script. Suppose this script I am creating, and this script will have all those operation like I will write a command like first I have to load the files into this stage, then I have to load the data into a table, and then I have to perform a merge operation, and then I have to validate. So I will create one single script, and there I will mention all the script, and this script I can schedule so that it will run automatically. So those kind of the things is possible only in a CLI. Otherwise, if you use a UI, then manually you have to do all those times. So that kind of the advantage we get in a SnowSQL. So I hope you got the idea what is SnowSQL. In the next video, we'll try to understand how to install a SnowSQL and how to connect to the Snowflake account.